Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, let's start with our today's session. Today, we'll learn some daily use Gujarati phrases or sentences. So, the very first is wash your face. Tamaro chehro ધોઈ લ્યો. Wash your face. Tamaro chehro ધોઈ લ્યો. In this sentence, face means chehro. In this sentence, face is equals chehro and wash means doilyo. The next one is serve the food. Bhojan serve karo. Serve the food. Bhojan serve karo. In this sentence, food means bhojan. In this sentence, food is equals bhojan. The next one is please eat something. મહેરબાની કરીને કંઈક જમી લ્યો. Please eat something. મહેરબાની કરીને કંઈક જમી લ્યો. In this sentence, please is equals મહેરબાની. In this sentence, please is equals મહેરબાની. Eat something is equals કંઈક જમી લ્યો. Eat something is equals કંઈક જમી લ્યો. The next one is I am tired. હું થાક્યો છું. I am tired. હું થાક્યો છું. So in this sentence, tired is equals થાક્યો. In this sentence, tired is equals થાક્યો. The next one is try to understand. સમજવાનો પ્રયત્ન કર. Try to understand. સમજવાનો પ્રયત્ન કર. So in this sentence, understand is equals સમજવાનો. Understand is equals સમજવાનો. And for try, we can use પ્રયત્ન. For try, we can use પ્રયત્ન. I am repeating. Try to understand. સમજવાનો પ્રયત્ન કર. The next one is this works. આ કામ કરે છે. This works. આ કામ કરે છે. The next one is come outside. બહાર આવો. Come outside. બહાર આવો. In this sentence, outside is equals bahar. Outside is equals bahar. The next one is he lied. તે જૂઠું બોલ્યો. He lied. તે જૂઠું બોલ્યો. So in this sentence, lied is equals જૂઠું. In this sentence, lied is equals જૂઠું. The next one is I trust him. મને તેના પર વિશ્વાસ છે. I trust him. મને તેના પર વિશ્વાસ છે. In this sentence, trust is equals વિશ્વાસ. In this sentence, trust is equals વિશ્વાસ. I am repeating. I trust him. I am repeating. I trust him. મને તેના પર વિશ્વાસ છે. Keep trying. પ્રયત્ન કરતા રહો. Keep trying. પ્રયત્ન કરતા રહો. So in this sentence, trying is equals પ્રયત્ન. Trying is equals પ્રયત્ન. And keep is equals કરતા રહો. Keep is equals करता रहो. I am repeating. Keep trying. પ્રયત્ન કરતા રહો. The next one is stay with me. મારી સાથે રહો. Stay with me. મારી સાથે રહો. The next one is follow that car. તે કારનો પીછો કરો. Follow that car. તે કારનો પીછો કરો. Next one is I am warning you. હું તમને ચેતવણી આપું છું. I am warning you. હું તમને ચેતવણી આપું છું. Next one is don't annoy me. મને હેરાન કરશો નહીં. Don't annoy me. મને હેરાન કરશો નહીં. The next one is you are nobody for me. તમે મારા માટે કોઈ નથી. You are nobody for me. તમે મારા માટે કોઈ નથી. Alright guys, let's do some quick exercise. So can you tell me what word is used for food in Gujarati? Correct. Food is equals ખાવાનું. The meaning of food in Gujarati is ખાવાનું. Can you tell me how would you say trust me in Gujarati? Well done guys. Trust me is equals મારા પર વિશ્વાસ રાખ. Trust me is equals મારા પર વિશ્વાસ રાખ. How would you say strength word in Gujarati? What is the meaning of strength? Correct. Strength means Shakti in Gujarati. Strength is equals Shakti in Gujarati. What word is used for prayer in Gujarati? Well done. Prayer is equals Prathna. Prayer is equals Prathna. So if you want to say I'm doing prayer, you can say હું પ્રાર્થના કરું છું. હું પ્રાર્થના કરું છું. How would you say catch him in Gujarati? Perfect. Catch him is equals તેને પકડો. Catch him is equals તેને પકડો. Thank you so much my dear friends to watching the video. I hope you guys enjoying all the videos and learning Gujarati very well. Please like video, share with your friends so they can also learn Gujarati, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos. Jai Shri Krishna.